Fruits serve as nature's delightful package, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for optimal health. While every fruit offers its advantages, certain ones shine for their exceptional nutritional value. Let's delve into 3 fruits that are not only delicious but also remarkably beneficial for your well-being. Incorporating these into your diet could significantly enhance your health. 1. Berries. Let's begin our exploration with berries, a group of fruits that, though small in size, wield immense nutritional power. Specifically, we're delving into the realm of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These fruits aren't just delightful to the taste buds, they're nutritional powerhouses, brimming with vitamin C and K, fiber, and an array of phytonutrients. Berries deliver a robust punch in terms of health benefits. But why is this significant? Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant critical for skin health, immune function, and iron absorption. It aids in tissue repair and the enzymatic production of neurotransmitters. Conversely, vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health, bolstering bone strength and reducing fracture risks. The fiber content in berries supports digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber aids in weight management by inducing a sense of fullness, potentially reducing calorie intake and facilitating weight loss over time. Furthermore, the phytonutrients in berries, such as anthocyanins, are associated with a decreased risk of heart disease. These compounds enhance blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and shield against oxidative stress implicated in heart disease. A standout feature of berries is their remarkable capacity to enhance brain health. Regular consumption can boost memory and cognitive function, particularly beneficial as we age. Moreover, the antioxidants in berries, notably anthocyanins, combat oxidative stress and inflammation, significantly mitigating the risk of heart disease and certain cancers at the cellular level. You may be wondering how to incorporate more of these nutritional powerhouses into your diet. The good news is it's both simple and delicious. Start your day by adding berries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a nutrient-packed boost. Enjoy them as a refreshing snack anytime. For a creative twist, blend frozen berries into smoothies or use them as vibrant salad toppings. Their versatility and delectable taste make them an effortless addition to your daily meals, ensuring you reap their health benefits without sacrificing flavor. Berries aren't just another fruit on the roster, they're nutritional superheroes that can significantly elevate your health. Each variety brings its own unique array of benefits to the table. Blueberries are renowned for enhancing brain function and reducing heart disease risk. Strawberries excel in promoting skin health and regulating blood sugar levels, making them ideal for managing diabetes. Raspberries shine with their anti-inflammatory properties and weight management support, thanks to their high fiber content. 2. Avocados. Now, let's delve into the realm of avocado benefits, another superhero among fruits. The avocado, with its creamy texture and rich flavor, stands apart not only for its taste but also for its remarkable health advantages. Unlike many fruits high in carbohydrates, avocados are low in sugar and brim with healthy fats. These monounsaturated fats are a boon for heart health, effectively reducing bad cholesterol levels while maintaining good cholesterol, making avocados a crucial component of a heart-healthy diet. But the benefits of avocados extend beyond cardiovascular health. They boast an impressive fiber content, surpassing that of a banana in potassium, and are packed with vitamins E, C, and various B vitamins. The fiber in avocados not only aids digestion but also aids in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness, thereby reducing the urge to snack and potentially aiding in weight loss or maintenance. Potassium in avocados supports blood pressure regulation, while vitamins E, C, and B contribute to overall health, spanning from skin to immune function and energy levels. Avocados shine in versatility in the kitchen. They can take the spotlight in guacamole, lend a creamy texture to smoothies, serve as a healthy fat addition to salads, or transform a simple toast into a nutritious and satisfying meal. Their unique texture and subtly nutty flavor make avocados a staple in any fruit repertoire. For those who may not appreciate the taste or texture of avocados, consider integrating them into baked goods. Avocados can replace butter or oil in many recipes, like brownies or cakes, enhancing nutritional value while keeping the end product moist and flavorful. This approach allows one to enjoy the health perks of avocados without the pronounced taste, making it an excellent choice for avocado skeptics. 3. Kiwi. Wrapping up our lineup of nutritional champions is the kiwi, a petite fruit bursting with tanginess and a myriad of health benefits. Kiwis shine in the fruit kingdom for their remarkably high vitamin C content, surpassing even that of oranges. This makes them a powerhouse for fortifying the immune system, offering vital support in fending off illnesses. However, the advantages of kiwis extend beyond just vitamin C. They are also rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, as well as vitamin E, a potent antioxidant guarding cells against oxidative stress, akin to the benefits we highlighted regarding berries. Additionally, they provide a substantial dose of folate, crucial for cell division and DNA production, particularly advantageous for pregnant women or those planning to conceive. The potassium present in kiwis contributes to heart health by maintaining normal blood pressure levels. One of the most distinctive attributes of kiwis is their fiber content, which isn't just any fiber. Kiwis contain a specific type that fosters digestive health, aiding in the prevention of constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiota, crucial for overall well-being. The significance of gut health cannot be overstated, as it is intertwined with mood regulation, immune function, and even chronic disease prevention. Here's an intriguing fact: consuming kiwis with their skin on can significantly enhance their health benefits. While the notion may seem unconventional initially, the skin of the kiwi is entirely edible and brimming with nutrients. By consuming the whole kiwi, you can augment your fiber intake by up to 50%, improving digestive health and better controlling blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the skin harbors additional antioxidants, further reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. So, the next time you reach for a kiwi, consider devouring it like an apple, skin and all, to maximize its health benefits. Indulging in kiwis is as straightforward as it is beneficial. You can relish them as they are, slice them up for a refreshing addition to fruit salads, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-packed treat. Their vibrant green hue not only adds a visual allure to your dishes but also signifies the presence of valuable nutrients. The exotic taste of kiwis can elevate the flavor profile of various dishes, making them a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory recipes. Incorporating these three fruits into your diet can substantially enhance your health, providing essential nutrients while tantalizing your taste buds. Berries, avocados, and kiwis are not merely foods, they are nature's delicious solution to many health challenges. Even minor adjustments to your diet, such as incorporating these fruits, can result in substantial enhancements to your health and overall well-being. Nonetheless, it's crucial to bear in mind that individual nutritional requirements differ. Before making significant alterations to your diet, particularly if you have underlying health issues or specific dietary restrictions, seeking guidance from a healthcare provider or registered dietitian is advisable. This ensures that any dietary modifications are tailored to your individual health needs and objectives. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.